Welcome to the Profit in Your Pocket series of videos, which will help you implement Profit First into your business. Learn how to implement Profit First in your business by running through this series of videos and worksheets and get you on the track to being a profitable business every single week. I've implemented Profit First into my business and it works wonderfully. It creates certainty around the money that you do have and don't have, so that when you look at your bank balances, you know exactly what you can and can't spend. If there's money in your bank account, you can spend it. If there's no money in your bank account, you can't spend it. It's as simple as that. But as an accountant, we know that making a profit is just the bottom line on your profit and loss statement. And that never ever equates to the profit that's in your bank account. The Profit First system actually creates a tool or creates a system for you to make profits on a weekly basis. Now, how do we do this? We set up bank accounts that are for a specific purpose. Now, we call the system Profit First because what comes first is important. So when we look at your income or your sales, we take out the profit, which is important because what's the point of being in business if you're not making a profit? And then we have the rest of the money to use to spend on taxes, on rent, on wages, on operating expenses, and paying yourself. Now, it's really important to pay yourself as an owner because what's the point of you being there if you're not being paid a fair wage? You might as well go get a job. So the tool really, really works because when we're looking at our profit and loss statement, it doesn't show a true reflection of the cash that we have available. We look at accrual accounting, we look at the invoices that have been sent and not yet paid, we don't look at the bills that are due, we forget about the taxes that are due every quarter or at the end of the year. There's lots of things that are taken into account when we need to work out what money we've got left in our one business bank account. So by splitting that money up into multiple different accounts, it gives us a purpose for that money, and we can then allocate the funds across every single week or fortnight so that you know what you can spend your money on in the business and what you can't spend your money on because it's been allocated somewhere else. Now, this system really does work, but you need to be all in. You need to use the system properly, implement it properly, follow the steps. You need to be in that regular rhythm. So every week or every fortnight, whatever works for you, transfer that money across and no stealing. It's really a behavioral-based system. So we want to work with you. Log into your bank account, have a look at what's in there. If you don't have money, don't spend it. If you do have money, you can. I'm really looking forward to seeing the impact that Profit First has on your business. Implement it. Go slowly. You're not going to make 10% profit in the first quarter if you've never made a 10% profit before. So you start with 1%. And then once you've done that, if you get stuck, make sure you reach out for help. Good luck. I can't wait to see the impact that it has on your business.